This is the elevator at the Extended Stay America in Tampa, Florida. This is the Tampa North location. There's your map. We're starting from the second floor because the first floor opens up right to the desk. And actually, we're not going to go down, we're going to go up. Check that out, a red lantern. Red LED too. Wait, whoa, look at that. It's green for up, red for down. That is cool. Let's go at 3. Man, look at that. That is nice. That looks like an upside down up call station. Let's go to 2. Again, one opens up right to the front desk. So we're not gonna go down there. At least not yet. Here's your certificate. Here's your phone, which, oh, there's stuff in there. That's just garbage. I'm gonna put it back where it was and just in case. But anyway, we're gonna go up to 3. Hopefully this is going up. Yeah, it's going up. So Series 1 fixtures. Again, that is a nice lantern. Multicolor as well. So now we're gonna go down to 1, since we're just gonna end the video here. There's your cab view. I didn't do it yet.